My name is Eduardo Ramos Aguilar. I am 17 years old and I will talk about pollution. Pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that cause adverse change. Pollution can take the form of chemical substance or energy, such as noise, heat, or light. Pollutant. The components of pollution can be either foreign substance or energy or naturally occurring contaminants. Pollution is often classed as point source or non-point source pollution. History of pollution. Ancient cultures. Air pollution has always accompanied civilization. Pollution started from the prehistoric times when men created the first fires. The forming of metal appears to be a key turning point in the creation of significant air pollution levels outside the home. In the next years, the industrial revolution that gave birth to environmental pollution as we know it today. The emergence of great factories and consumption of immense quantities of coal and other fossil fuels give rise to unprecedented air pollution and the large volume of industrial chemical discharge added to the growing load of untreated human waste. Forms of pollution. The first form of pollution are air pollution, consisted in the release of chemicals and particulates into the atmosphere. The second is the light pollution, includes light trespass, over-illuminate, and astronomical interference. Littering, the criminal throwing in inappropriate made objects unremoved onto public and private properties. Noise pollution is which encompasses roadway noise, aircraft noise, industrial noise, as well as high-intensity sonar. The next form of pollution are soil contamination. Occurs when chemicals are released by a spill or underground leakage. Radioactive contamination, thermal pollution, visual pollution, and water pollution. It consists in discharge of untreated domestic sewage and chemical contaminants. Source and cause of pollution. Air pollution comes from both natural and human-made sources. However, globally human-made pollution from combustion, construction, mining, agriculture, and warfare are increasingly significant in the air pollution aquarium. China, United States, Russia, India, Mexico, and Japan are the world leaders in air pollution emissions. Principal stationary pollution sources include chemical plants, coal-fired power plants, oil refineries, petrochemical plants, nuclear waste disposal activity, incinerators, large livestock farms, PVC factories, metals, incinerators, large livestock farms, and agriculture or pollution comes from contemporary practice which include clear filling and burning of natural vegetation as well as spraying of pesticides and herbicides. Effects of pollution. Human health. The pollution in human health adversely air quality can kill many organisms including humans. Ozone pollution can cause respiratory disease, cardiovascular disease, throat inflammation, chest pain, and congestion. Environment. The environment, the pollution causes biomagnification, carbon dioxide, the emission of greenhouse gases, invasive species, nitrogen oxides, smoke and soil, and sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Pollution control. The pollution control is a term used in environmental management. It means to control or emission and influence into air, water, or soil. Practice or pollution control is recycling, reusing, waste minimization, mitigating, preventing, and compost. I will talk about greenhouse gases and global warming. Carbon dioxide will be vital for photosynthesis. Is something referred as pollution because raising levels of this gas in the atmosphere are affecting the Earth's climate. Recent studies have investigated the potential for long-term rising levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide to cause slight but critical increase in the acid of the ocean waters and the possible effects of this on marine ecosystems. The pollution is a big problem for the humanity because in next time there's sons or where the next humanity have big problems with this problem. The climate of the earth changed for bad things, and I think the humanity need to resolve this problem right now. Thank you very much.